Loving adventures, welcome to another exciting video from spring in Serbian countryside. Today we're gonna explore the nature near the town of Kučevo with our rescue dog Zgubil. Let's get started. So here is our dog Zgubil on the left, playing with the dog from the neighbor. Early spring is a great time for walking and running in nature because the grasses and bushes didn't grow yet, so you can just walk through the fields. Now it's also a great time to enjoy the sunset because sun goes down around 6 o'clock, but we're still here up on the hill. We usually want to be back home by 7 o'clock to have dinner. So in the summertime we are missing out on the sunset. We always try to mix the walks in nature with the mountain bike rides to make it more interesting. And every time we go for a mountain bike ride, we try to discover new forest or field roads that we haven't ridden before. Because let's be honest, it's quite boring to ride the same roads over and over again. And I do the same with the trail running. So even though we are quite lucky in this part of eastern Serbia to have access to hills and nature with forests, there is still no excuse for anybody not to go to nature. Even if you live in a city like Belgrade or Novi Sad, there is plenty of nature nearby to go to. And seeing the sunset up on top of the hill after a long bike ride gives you a sense of accomplishment and a peace of mind. somebody is struggling with sadness or depression, the first thing I would tell them is to spend at least 1 hour a day in nature. Walking in between the trees is the quickest way to heal yourself from whatever you're going through. It's amazing to see that some of these bushes and trees develop flowers before they have leaves. And here we are on another mountain bike ride, exploring the forest roads near the village of Shevica. As you can see, there are more green shoots on the branches, more leaves, the sign that the spring is here and the weather is getting warmer. And if you take any forest road, most of them go back down to the villages, and this is how a typical houses with yards look like in Serbia. Mountain biking is one of the best sports because you get to explore much more nature than hiking. Also, you improve your fitness when you go uphill, and it's a lot of fun going downhill. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying this hiking and mountain biking adventure in a Serbian countryside. Stay tuned for future videos, and as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.